TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets hanging around positive territory right where we've been for the better part of the afternoon. S&P's up about 10 points, 33.62. NASDAQ right now up by 36 at 96.64. Dow Jones up 28 points, well off its highs at 29.307. Notes and bonds, some lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative 11 ticks at 131 flat. The 30-year negative 22 ticks at 162.15. And the dollar index off 87 ticks at 98.745. We're going to start it off with a chart of the 10-year yield as we have some lower price. That yield ticking up today, now sitting at 1.58%. Even the end of yesterday, we were sitting at about 1.54 handle. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow. As I mentioned, well off the highs, about 100 points. We were up there at 29,393 just before the opening bell, 29,368, just over 100 points. That slide began at 10:30. NASDAQ 100, even in the last 15 minutes, just jumping to a low for the intraday session. I guess not quite yet. Going after the intraday low, 95.53. S&P 500, 33.62. We were up as high as 33.74. There's your crude oil market. Pretty short-lived bid in crude. We get up to 50.66. We're now back under $50 at 49.91. We'll get the inventory numbers for crude tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. live on the air. Gold contract 15.71, and the euro-US dollar, pretty tame action, 109.19. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, Chairman Powell testifying in front of the House. He will be there today. He is at the Senate tomorrow. Lots of headlines coming out of there, but him pretty much saying what is expected. And then you also have, of course, the merger today. Sprint and T-Mobile, $26 billion. Jumping through those charts to see how they're reacting. Sprint, just a mammoth day, up about 73%. T-Mobile, up almost 12 the last time I checked, 11.32%. And on the flip side, Verizon trading lower by about 2%, and AT&T off about, where are we? 0.3%. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Dave White coming up live with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. And after the bell tonight, Lyft with their earnings up marginally ahead of that. $4.24 expected move coming into that earnings announcement. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up live right now. We'll be right back.